Asante. Hello. Hello. Members of the Fourth Estate, Hamjambo. As you have seen already, the Azimio national anthem has been sung, so we are ready to start the business. This has been a meeting among the leaders of Azimio from all parts of our country. We have members of parliament-elect, that is members of the National Assembly and senators. We also have governors-elect who have also joined us here today. Basically, it was a familiarization meeting, and we also talked about a way forward. We've given them a brief as where we are with regard to presidential elections, and they have approved the steps that we have decided to take as a Azimio coalition. Now, I am going to invite our Chief Minister, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, to give you a summary of what has been canvassed and discussed. Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka.
A very good afternoon to all of us, particularly the media. We notice that since a statement by a presidential candidate yesterday, the whole world has its attention drawn on our wonderful republic, a country we all love, and a country that none of us is prepared to let go the wrong way. So these consultations, as my brother Raila has explained, are ongoing. It is obvious that we have very, very many elected representatives of our people, not even to mention about the members of the county assemblies, who will shortly, of course, in the next few days, be also putting their act together. So we will continue with our caucuses in terms of the regions, the coast region, the northeastern region, the Nyanza region, the central region. We are all doing this so that people can get to understand each other better. And as results emerge of our consultations, if need be, we will let members of the media know. But the most important matter is to stand in solidarity and to stand together. In fact, we have happily sung the composition by our late brother, Senator Kajwang, may God rest his soul in peace, that nchi hii bado ni mapambano, ili haki mwishowe ipatikane, so that Kenyans can live happily together with each other as brothers and sisters. So, unfortunately, this has happened because of what happened at Bomas of Kenya. And therefore, that process, the legal process continues, the political process also continues. Kwa hivyo tunawashukuru sana kwa mambo hatuoni kusema kweli kama kuna haja ya maswali, kwa sababu zote tuelewa. Yeah, I will of course allow my sister mother to say something, lakini hatuoni haswa kama kuna haja ya maswali, because I'm sure there would be things, because others have been caucusing like we are caucusing. It is their right to caucus, and we also know that we are all guided by what is before the registrar of political parties. It's important for me to say so, because we have two coalitions or several coalitions that are properly registered before the registrar of political parties. And it is important for all of us to adhere to the provisions of that particular legislation. We know it is important as we put our country together to move even in the direction of the Senate, the National Assembly, the county governments. And so this is where we are moving, even as the other process that was alluded to by Brother Raila yesterday also gets underway. Asanteni, our sister mother.
Thank you. Very little to add, to say that our figures show that we command the National Assembly. Just like I said the last time, the Senate, our competitors are up by 1, but the National Assembly, we command. We, therefore, after meeting, we must look and plan how we are going to execute our mandate. And that is no more. And our members are taking that up. On the matter of the election, ours is victory deferred, but it's coming home. And that's the message to everyone. As we explore avenues, all legal and constitutional avenues, let everybody know victory is coming home. Thank you for supporting us, and we will not let you down.
Well done.
We want to thank you very much. We'll be available for further discourse as we go along. Yeah, thank you.